Hello students, this is different from last video. Their basic data is given, you have to find the second degree and fourth degree. Now this is reverse process of previous question. That is, second degree is given, find the first degree with positive sign and negative sign. That is, x square plus 1 by x square equal to 79. Find the value of x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. Given data x square plus 1 by x square equal to 79. So first, to find this value, first consider its second degree. I will explain what is the reason for second degree. Now the whole square equal to a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. These two gets cancelled, correct? But what is x square plus 1 by x square? It is 79. This is 79 plus 2, which is equal to 81. X plus 1 by x equal to 81. Then x plus 1 by x equal to what? Plus or minus 9. Plus or minus 9. Correct. Here x square plus 1 by x square equal to 79. Substitute here and then you will get one perfect square number while taking the square root. This is whole square. Square root becomes plus or minus 9. Minor difference between first and second sum. Same. Here the assumption is x plus 1 by x the whole square. Now the assumption is this one. X minus 1 by x the whole square equal to a minus b whole square. Again, what is a minus b whole square? A square, correct, plus b square minus 2x into 1 by x. This two gets cancelled. X square plus 1 by x square minus 2. But x square plus 1 by x square equal to 79 minus 2, which is equal to 77. This is x minus 1 by x the whole square, correct. Therefore, x minus 1 by x equal to plus or minus root 77. That's all. Very important. In exam, you will forget the first step. Always, whenever the given data is second degree, if you want to find the first degree with positive sign or negative sign, always consider second degree of the required expression. The required expression is x plus 1 by x. So you have to consider x plus 1 by x the whole square, whereas for x minus 1 by x, consider x minus 1 by x the whole square. Because it is not a perfect square number and hence it is square root. Okay. You can practice similar sum to get complete confidence to attend the question in section D. Thank you.